Good evening, everybody. Welcome to this lesson where we'll be learning how to design certificates with Canva app. Now, Canva is a mobile application. It also has a desktop version or PC version, and it's used for designing easy designs. So there are a lot of free templates that you can just click on and edit. So as we'll be seeing in no distant time, just on the search bar above, you can click there and type on certificate. Even gives you categories of certificates. What types do you want? Do you want participation certificate, just generic certificates, work certificates, and so on? For now, let's click on certificate. Just certificate. Excuse me. So the free templates are loading. The first you see here is blank. If you want to start designing from scratch, you click on this box here, but the rest are free templates which you can click on and simply edit text. You could also insert images or icons which you wish to include in your design. So let's select one of these to edit. Let's choose one which has relevance to our context. Okay, let's choose this certificate of completion. Certificate of completion for those who see this course through, or who take this course or this training program successfully to the end. Click on this template here, the one with Catherine Tanko written there. So after you select your template, you have to give it time to load, because oftentimes due to network it's slow. I apologize for the poor nature of the network. That's why it's not loading yet. Perhaps we'll select a different certificate. Okay, our design is finally loading. So you wait for the template to finish loading, then you can begin editing. What we'll be doing basically is just changing some text and inserting whatever components we wish to insert in our design. So it's still loading, and it's complete. You'll see. Okay, this is it. Tap something to start editing. So this one actually has this if you notice, this badge has the Canva watermark on it. If you enlarge it, you can see the Canva watermark. So I'm just going to delete it right away. I don't want that watermark. I'll delete that, and excuse me, I'll add a badge which I downloaded earlier on. It's in my gallery here. I'm going to add that badge. in place of that, in place of the batch I just deleted. So I'm searching for the batch. I downloaded it with no background. It has no background, so it's really ideal for use in this case. Okay, let's choose this one, and you can of course you can resize it, reduce the size to whichever suits you. Then with this this icon with 4 arrowheads, you can hold down on it and you'll be able to move a component or an element here. This line, this dotted red line, indicates the middle of your design. So if you want this to be symmetrical, you can place it here. It's exactly at the middle of your design. So I want it down a bit. Yes, somewhere around there. That's good. And you can change the color. Oh no, that won't work. That won't work. Just go back. Okay. You edit the name here. Put whichever name you wish. Let's say I'll put my own name here. So here where you have Johnson and J, you put digital skill set or the name of whoever is handing over the certificate. This certificate is a certificate of completion, given upon completion of this course. This is just an example. This award, digital skill set, gives Bertrand Masanga this award for what for his superb, let's just put superb here, during this 5-week, let's, instead of internship, we'll have training program. It's not 5 weeks, so we'll just put let's say 2-week training program. Then down here you have the name and the title of the signatories to this certificate. So the name here, you could have maybe Mr. Bertrand or Mr. Hansen. Mr. Hansen. Let's say he's the lead instructor. And Miss Fabiola here. Miss Fabiola. She, let's say, is the co-founder facilitator. Co-facilitator. So the way the certificate is looking now, it looks very presentable and neat. If you wish to increase the font size here, you can, or you can simply just enlarge it so it suits your taste if you prefer it this way, so it'll be more visible. And let's put theme here. So our design looks good and ready. Our design looks good and ready. Our design looks good and ready. So we are going to save it. Later on, we are going to see how to sign digitally on certificates. So just give it some time to save. After your design or your design is saved, you'll get a notification. Okay, says something went wrong. This is probably due to poor network. So if you get this error, just click OK and try saving again. Just wait for it to load, and soon the progress bar will appear. So Canva is a really amazing app because you have a lot of templates which are given for free, which you can edit and use. Canva also has a photo library and also a text library where you can get pre-written text or high resolution images from the photo library without watermark. When downloading like badges or any images from the internet, make sure that your images are high resolution when using them for design, and they are void of watermarks. They shouldn't have watermarks on them because it makes your design look unprofessional. So your design is saving. Design is a plan for arranging elements in a way that best accomplishes a particular purpose. So every design has purpose. Every design has purpose. It depends on how fast your network is. Your design saves based on the speed of your network or the quality of your network. If your network is faster, then your design will save faster. Else, it will be slow like mine. Oh, this is really slow. This is really slow. I apologize for the slow nature of the network. Let me pause the video. I'll play it after the design has saved. Alright guys, the design has saved, and this share window will pop up. Just close it. Actually, I had to restart the saving process or the download process for it to save. Each time your design saves, you receive this notification you saved your design, and it's important that you save your design. If you don't save your design, you might not have you might lose some changes, or you might not even have the template. You will have to start back from the very beginning. Okay, so you can choose to continue editing. If you want to create, let's say you want to add something else to your design which was not in the former one you just saved, you could continue editing and add what you wish to add. But this looks okay, so I'll just go back so I can be able to see my designs. Let's give it some time to load. So these are all of my designs. It's under this designs section. You have the home section, the design sections, and the menu. Under designs, you can see all the designs you have worked on so far. The most recent are the ones at the top. So the design, the latest one is loading. Let me click on it. So this is what we had, and there you have it. It's also stored in your gallery. So for example, if you are to add an image here, just to prove to you that it is in your gallery, you will see this certificate will appear among the photos. So this is it here. Just below these photos, besides gallery, you can see the certificate here. So it has been saved in your gallery. Alright, just follow these steps and design something similar.